Hi, to block spam and scam calls on Samsung Galaxy S25, all you have to do is to find and open your phone app, and after that click on the three dots for more info, and from here choose Settings. Now we would need to find this tab Block Numbers, choose it, and here you can actually block spam and scam calls. For that, tap it and turn on by tapping on the switcher. And then you should find this option to block spam and scam calls and also enable it by tapping on the switcher. Then scroll a bit down and choose either to block all spam and scam calls or high risk only. So just tap on any option you want to pick and then go back. And also you can block calls from unknown numbers if needed. For that, tap on the switcher so it will light up green. And then if you want to manually block any number, you just need to tap here and enter it. Or you can find it from your conversations or from recents. Or you can tap on contacts and manually select contact you want to block. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.